Hi all. Today we will learn topics from the chapter Staffing of the Front Office. In my previous video from the same chapter, we covered the topic Planning Staff Requirement in Front Office and Staffing Guidelines. Let's look at the objectives for this session, which are to understand the steps for planning duty roster, learn to design duty rotas for front office staff and uniform staff. Duty rota. A work shift or a duty chart shows the allotment of jobs, hours of duty, and days off for each member of the staff. Duty chart also ensures that the staff has sufficient time to note their working schedule for the following week or month. The work shifts or timings may vary according to the hotel occupancy and peak business days. Duty rosters must be simple in format, easy to interpret, clearly written, and displayed on the staff notice board at least a week in advance so that staff can plan their personal commitments. Duty rotas is usually prepared by the duty manager or lobby manager and then authorized by the front office manager or the head of the department. Staffs are not allowed to make any changes on the duty rota. If any change is required, then the same has to be approved by the front office manager. Common work shifts in the hotel are, in India, most of the shifts are 9 hours shifts and have 1 hour overlaps. Morning 700 hours to 1600 hours, evening 1500 hours to 2400 hours, night shift 2300 hours to 800 hours next morning, general shift 900 hours to 1800 hours, break shift 700 hours to 1130 hours, and 1800 hours in the evening to 22:30 hours. A break shift may be required where employees are given a break for a few hours and they report back in the evening. This may be required in case of group arrivals or on busy days. Advantages of making a duty rota or roster. Let's go through a few advantages listed below. It gives the exact number of staff required to be on duty at any given occupancy. It gives ready information that staff working hours are as per their employment contract. It displays that regular offs are availed for enhancing productivity. It is a ready reckoner, provides knowledge of which employees are present on the premises in instances of emergencies to the management. Duty chart helps in accuracy in attendance and payroll reports. Let's look at in the next slide, steps for planning and making a duty roster. These are 8 steps to be followed, and these are the general steps which are common to all departments in hotel. Step 1. Ascertain occupancy levels and events expected in the hotel, which means to check occupancy percentage and other events planned in the hotel for that duration. Step 2. Ascertain the spread of duty hours to be scheduled in duty roster, whether 12 hours, 16 hours, or 24 hours. In hotels, front office department are functional for 24 hours, hence planning is considered for 24 hours each day. Step 3. Ascertain the type of shift, straight shift, morning, afternoon, night, break shift, rotating shift, or any other alternative scheduling to be used. Step 4. Ascertain the number of full-time and part-time staff on the payroll. Step 5 in the next slide. Ascertain the number of labor hours per day and per week required for various positions. Step 6. Incorporate coffee breaks and meal time in the roster. Step 7. Ascertain that each employee gets a weekly off the day after 6 working days. Provide for compensatory off. Schedule one reliever per 6 employees. This is planned as per the current employee working hours norms. These days, few star hotels also plan to give 2 weekly offs, which leads to plan one reliever per 5 employees. Step 8. Ascertain closed days and restricted holidays and any contingency planning that may be needed. As hotels work 365 days, however, there are national holidays which is considered for planning and staff needs to be planned accordingly. Let's look at the sample format for duty rota here. The format may differ from hotel to hotel. As you can see in this format, first few rows shows occupancy percentage, number of arrivals, departures, and number of in-house rooms data, which is required for each day from Monday to Sunday. This statistical data helps to plan the front office staff and uniform staff for each shift. Here in the format, we can see 7 employees are part of front office, including cashier, and 3 are bell desk. With this, number of staffing is observed in a small hotel. In the format, the legend table below shows the various shift timings. Under each day column, the duty manager uses a short form for various shifts as mentioned in the legend, like M for morning shift, A for afternoon shift, so on and so forth. The chart shows here is for a week, and likewise a duty chart for a month is prepared. As mentioned earlier, duty manager prepares the duty rota, which is authorized by the front office manager. I hope in today's session you all have understood what is duty rota, its advantages and steps for planning duty rota. I want you to apply these steps in designing duty rota in this given format. This will be considered as an assignment. Kindly mail me the prepared duty chart. Thank you for watching my video.